Well, I was looking for something that I could go somewhere so the kids could see a lot of jobs. And a lot of our kids, they're not going to go to college. And I know APS has a lot of jobs that don't require them to go to college, yet they can earn a good living. And so you were good enough to have us come here and do the tour.
Well, I was fortunate enough to have some little road runners, seeing as how I graduated from Holbrook, come and tour our plant, which was pretty exciting for me because I get to see some kids that I've actually had one in there that I coached Little League a couple years ago with, so that was pretty cool. But to see some kids that I've interacted with throughout, my wife's been a teacher for years up there, so it was pretty neat. You know, with my partner, Izzy, she's the college graduate. I actually didn't take the college route. I did some things a little different, came up through APS as an entry-level employee, but to show them, yeah, there's technical jobs out there that we can do, that we don't have to go to college for. And just let them know that, you know, you can succeed even though you're from a small town.
Right now, if I ask them, yeah, it was cool. But later on, they'll have comments like, hey, do you think that maybe I could do that? It gets their mind starting to process things.
Hopefully these kids will look and they'll say, oh, well, they'll get into college and maybe they'll start going through the HR stuff and they'll be like, oh, I remember they said they had an HR department at APS. Or you have a kid that's a whiz on a computer. He's like, oh, hey, I remember that guy said they had an IT department, you know. So it may, I mean, let's hope it gives us a job pool in the future. You know, give yourself some options and have a good attitude. I've always believed a good attitude will carry you far in life.